how to divide a decimal number by a decimal. 13.5 divided by 5.5. Well, the magic rule is we can't have a divisor as a decimal. So I need to turn this decimal into a whole number, and to do that I can multiply by 10. 5.5 multiplied by 10 would be a magic 55. But if I'm going to multiply my divisor by 10, I also need to multiply my dividend by 10 to make sure this question is equivalent to the original one. And 13.5 times 10 is 135. Now I'm ready to begin. How many 55s in 1? 0. Let's see how many I took away. 0 times 55 is 0. And 1 subtract my 0, it also leaves me with 1. Bring down my 3. How many 55s are there in 13? Also 0. 0 times 55 is 0. 13 subtract my 0 leaves me with the 13 still. Bring down my 5 and I'm back to 135. How many 55s in 135? There would be 2 whole. Check how many I took away by doing 2 times 55 is 110. That leaves me with 25, but I can't put remainder 25 because my question was in decimal, so I want to give a decimal answer. So to do that, I'm going to create my decimal and a 0, bring down my 0, and my question is now 250. So I need to put my decimal in the answer row as well. 250 divided by 55 is 4 whole, and 4 times 55 is 220. 250 subtract my 220 leaves me with 30. Create another 0 to bring down. Now I have 300 divided by 55 is 5, and 5 times 55 is 275. 300 subtract my 275 is 25. Create another 0 and bring him down, and I have 250. 250 divided by 55 is 4 again, and now I'm just going to get into a pattern of always having 250 left over, and then 300, 250, and then I'm going to get 300 again. So therefore I know that my pattern will be 002.4545. So I show that by putting a recurring symbol above it. And there's our final answer. Easy.